Hey everybody, it's Neil. Check out what I have here. I have this is a portable watch charger. So every once in a while I go somewhere. Now that I've switched from the Ultra to the Watch 10, the battery life just isn't the same as it used to be, but it's a lot smaller of a watch. So I got myself this, which is a portable watch charger, because look at this. Comes with a little carabiner kind of clip on it. And then I should be able to, it looks like it's got the little USB-C for charging it, and a little button you can push on the side to see the battery level. It looks like it comes charged. I had 4 dots, so we're gonna give this thing a try and see if it actually can charge my watch. So it does magnetize down there, and look at that, there we go. It does want to do it, so it's starting to charge. So that's good. So I'll be able to get at least some charge out of it. Hopefully it'll be enough to charge my, it's 1,000 milliamps. Actually, it probably is enough to charge the watch all the way from 0 to full. So pretty cool, nice little device here. I'm just gonna clip it onto my backpack. That's usually what I have when I'm going everywhere. And I'll be ready to go to charge up my watch when it runs out, if I forget to do it overnight or something. So pretty sweet, nice to have this. So thumbs up, really looks good too. So look good, thumbs up.